Hello big sellers, in this video I'm going to introduce scan to ship function including weighing steps. When using scan to ship function for shipment, you can connect an electronic scale to record the package weighing information. Let's practice. Go to Orders, in Process Orders page. Scan and ship. Scan to ship. Click Setting. Set scan times. Scan weight to ship only supports one-time scan. You can select current scan by product SKU or merchant SKU. Enable weighing settings. And you can set the upper limit of weight and the weight difference here. After weighing, if the difference of actual weight and the preset weight is not within the allowable difference range, there will be a warning. You can select to print Generate Manifest with tracking number. Please ensure that the computer input methods has been switched to English, and the weight unit on the Scan to Ship page is set to the same as the electronic scale. Here you can choose to ship orders by shipping groups. It can be set in Setting, Shipping Settings, Shipping Group Settings. Connect the scanner and electronic scale with your computer. Scan the package number barcode or tracking number barcode on the airwheel bill. Put the package on the electronic scale for weighing. Then we can see the current scan information in the left side, and on the right side is the scan record. You can click Clear and the next scan or Generate Manifest. Please be noted that if you do not click Generate Manifest, BigSeller won't generate the manifest and won't keep the history records of the corresponding manifest. That's all about the scan to weigh and ship. Hope this video can help you. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comments section. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe us. Bye bye!